Morning, children. I hope you all are hale and hearty at home. So, today I am going to teach you addition and subtraction of fractions. Now, children, as I told you in my previous video, you can add or subtract only and only like terms or like fractions. If they are unlike, then you cannot add, subtract, or compare. Then, what will we do? Let's see. Now here I have, if you see these two fractions, if you see the denominators, both are 7. If both denominators are same, what does it mean? It means they are like fractions. Okay. So, as you know, I can easily add them. So, what will I do? 7, 1 plus 2. So, it will become 3 by 7. And children, whenever you are taking out the answer, always remember that you have to check the fraction whether it is proper or improper. Now, what does proper or improper means? If the numerator is smaller, then it is proper fraction. We always give our answers in proper fraction or mixed fraction. If numerator is bigger, then it is improper. In that case, we all change that fraction into mixed fraction. We never give our answers in improper fraction. This I already mentioned you in previous video. Now see this question. 4 by 9 and 7 by 24. Now just see the denominators. How are they? They are different. That means they are unlike fractions. Now in unlike fraction, what will I do? I will change the unlike fractions into like fractions by taking out their LCM. But why would I take out the LCM? You know what is LCM? LCM is lowest common multiple. That means the number which comes in both the tables. That means 9 की टेबल में भी वो नंबर आना चाहिए and 24 की टेबल में भी. Just think of a number which comes in both the tables. Yes, I know you know that, but we will do the working right now. And see, here we will take out. Always remember, we write prime factors here. Try to write in ascending order. Then 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 1 1. So the LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is 72. So LCM is 72. You will convert both the denominators, that means 9 and 24 into 72. In both the table 9 and 24, 72 comes. Okay. Now 4 by 9. अब 9 को 72 बनाने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 8 से. तो we will multiply with 8. If I am multiplying denominator with 8, I will multiply numerator also with 8. This I explained you earlier also, that we make equivalent fraction. Otherwise, the value of the fraction will be changed. Now 7 upon 24. 24 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? You will multiply 24 with 3. 24 3s are 72. You will multiply numerator also. Sorry, I wrote wrong sign here. Numerator also with 3. Clear? So 8 4s are 32. 32 upon 72 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 72. Then what you will do? You will add them. As write 72 as the common denominator. And 32 plus 21. So 53 upon 72. Now check what kind of fraction is this. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Then it is correct. This is proper fraction. So this will be your final answer. Clear? Now let's see other question. If the question is in mixed fraction. If you see this question, it is in mixed fraction. Can you solve it like this? No. Whenever your question is in mixed fraction, we always change into improper fraction. So you know how to do it. 10 2s are 20 plus 1. So it will be 21 upon 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 4. 19 upon 5. Now we will find out the LCM, that means the number which comes in both the table. Now if you see both the numbers, both the denominators, you will find that what number comes in both the tables. Yes, 5 का भी multiple 10 होता है और 10 का भी multiple 10 होता है. So in such kind of cases you can straight away write down the LCM. So since LCM equals to 10, then what you will do? You will convert both the denominators into 10. It is already 10, so you will multiply by 1. 19 upon 5. For converting 5 into 10, you will multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. So you will multiply 19 also. So it will become 21 upon 10 and it will become 38 upon 10. After this, what we will do? We will write 10 as common denominator. 21 plus 38, that is 59 upon 10. Now tell me, what kind of fraction is this? Yes, it is improper fraction, as numerator is greater than the denominator. Do we give answers in improper? No. So what we will do? We will change into mixed fraction. 10 5s are 50. 9 upon 10. So it will be 5 whole 9 upon 10. Clear? Now children, see this question. In this question, I have one whole number. And you know, whole numbers are also a fraction. They are fraction with hidden denominator 1. So whenever you see whole number, don't say it is not a fraction. It is also a fraction with hidden denominator. उसमें क्या denominator है? 1. Now change mixed fractions into improper. 3 upon 1, 9 1s are 9 plus 4, 13 upon 9. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8 upon 3. Now take the LCM of the denominators 1, 3 and 9. क्या denominator LCM होगा? As I told you earlier also, 9 is the multiple of 1 also, 3 also, 9 also. So 9 will be your LCM. Otherwise you can take out it with the help of working. If you don't understand, please take out with the help of working. अब 1 को 9 बनाने के लिए you will multiply with 9. Here 9 is 1 से multiply करेंगे. 8 by 3, 3 को 9 बनाने के लिए 3 से multiply करेंगे. Now you will see 9 3s are 27 upon 9. 13 upon 9, 24 upon 9. What kind of fractions are these? These are like fractions. Write 9 as the common denominator. 27 plus 13 plus 24. Add them. Now what kind of fraction is this? Numerator is greater than the denominator. It is improper fraction. Do we give answers in improper fraction? No. So we will change into mixed fraction. If you cannot do orally, please do the working. वैसे orally करिए, ज़्यादा better है. 7 9s are 63. 1. So 7 whole 1 upon 9. 7 whole 1 upon 9. So this will be your answer. Clear? Now children, see subtraction of fractions. Okay, as I told you, we cannot add, subtract or compare unlike fractions, but they are like. If the denominators are same, you just write 9 as the common denominator and subtract 2 upon 9. This is easy because these are like fractions. But if I have unlike fractions, like here 16 and 8, they are different fractions. What will you do? First you will take out the LCM. And as I told you, this kind of LCM is very easy. 16, 8, 2, 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1. So LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. तो हमारा LCM क्या निकल आया? 16 निकल आया. ओके, नाउ हियर 13 अपॉन 16. 16 ऑलरेडी 16 है तो आपने 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 3 अपॉन 8, तो 8 को 16 बनाने के लिए यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विथ 2. ओके, एंड देन 13 अपॉन 16 minus 6 upon 16. So now if you see, both the denominators are same. When both the denominators are same, you can easily write 16 as common denominator. So 13 minus 6, that is 7 upon 16. So this is your answer. Clear? This is your answer. Now here, if you have this kind of fractions where you have mixed fractions, So as I told you, we always change mixed fractions into improper fractions. 9 2s are 18, 18. Now you see this question. Here I have mixed fraction. As I told you, we always change mixed fraction into improper. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. 12 1s are 12 plus 5, 17. Now we will take out the LCM of 9 and 12. So LCM, when you will take out 9 and 12, 2, 2. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 4 9s are 36. So LCM is 36. So if you see, the LCM comes 36. So 36 is the number which comes in both the tables. Okay. So you will convert both 9 and 12 into 36. 22 upon 9 multiplied by 4. 9 4s are 36 and 12. 3s are 36. So you will convert both denominators into 36. 22 4s are 88 upon 36. 51 upon 36. Now both the denominators are like. When both the denominators are like, 36, 88 minus 51. Now you will subtract 7 upon 36. Okay, now see, numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. 36 1s are 36, तो फिर एक बचा 1 upon 36. So this way your answer is coming 1 whole 1 by 36. See the question, when you have whole number. So as I told you, if whole number is there, that means it has hidden denominator 1. So first you will convert your mixed fraction into improper. Then what you will do, take out the LCM. All the number comes in the table of 1. That is why whatever number is there with 1 will be your LCM, since LCM equals to 7. Okay, so what will you do? 1 को 7 बनाने के लिए you will multiply with 7 and 13. 7 is already there. 1 से multiply करेंगे. Then you will write 70 upon 7 minus 13 upon 7. As they are like terms, write 7 as the common denominator. 70 minus 13. And when you will subtract, you will find what? 57 upon 7. So now 57 upon 7 is improper fraction. Numerator is bigger. As I told you, if you don't understand, please do the working. 57 upon 7. 7 8s are 56. 1. 8 whole 1 upon 7. Now children, I hope addition and subtraction is clear to you and you can do the sums. Okay. Now happy learning. Best of luck. Bye bye.